called for backup. You stay there, Jess. So Chichen was giving me an... It's not there anymore? Are you kidding me?
Oh. It's not dead.
It's not? Oh shit, it's out here now.
It's not dead.
Crap. But she's been trying to kill it, huh?
Probably. Alright, watch out.
Oh shit, it really isn't dead. So don't kill it. It's a good one, right? Yeah. Oh god. Freaking EBGBs. Just release it out somewhere else. It's not allowed in the chicken area. Oh god, I hate snakes. Oh god, don't come towards me until I'm gone, Landon. Is it hissing at you yet? Oh god. It's a good snake. We can't kill it. I thought it was dead. It was not moving. And she was not happy about it being in there. So I don't want it anywhere near my chicken coops though.
Well, you gotta open gates, Mom.
Okay. Oh god. Oh, yuck, I hate snakes. I don't know. I just don't want it anywhere near my freaking chickens. Oh, no, Jess. No, Jess. Back in the yard. Go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 buddy. No. Come on. Come on. Good boy.